How to turn on and use voice access on the Samsung Galaxy phone. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. From here, tap on voice access. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn on voice access. Once it is turned on, you can see it appears here at the top. You can tap on it to start voice access, or there is a button on the side here that you can tap on it to start voice access. Now, once it is turned on, you can issue commands, voice command. So this is basically a voice command. So here I will simply switch it off for now. And we'll go through some of the settings in here. Now at the top here is the voice access shortcut. By turning it on, you will be able to create shortcuts and you can access them. So when you turn it on, tap on the allow button and then tap on the left hand side panel. In here, there are different shortcuts that you can assign it to. So we can assign it to the accessibility button, which is the one down here. You can assign it to the side keys combination. So here we can press on side and volume up buttons. We can also assign it to press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So here if I press on side and volume up buttons, this will open up a menu and I can tap on voice access to turn it on, which will show a button here, which I can start voice access or I can switch it off. Okay, so that is a shortcut right there. And next is the settings. So if you tap on settings in here, you can make changes to your voice access commands. You can view all the commands that you can use. So in here we've got basics and navigations. So in here it shows the command, all commands, open tutorial. So you can say all commands and it will show you all the commands. Show commands for aid, what is, help, you can ask for help. You can ask it to open tutorial, voice access settings, send feedback, high numbers, show numbers, and so on. So it's quite a lot. So here you can say commands such as open YouTube, for example, or open Gmail, open work app. For example, you can say go back, go home. So let's try it out. So here, if I open up my Samsung Internet and if I open up voice access, and I'll start it, and I say go home, you can see it will go back to the home page. Go back, and then go back to the previous page. I can say scroll down or scroll up. So here I can say scroll down or scroll up. So if I open up Wikipedia with a long page, so this one we have a scroll up and scroll down. I can say scroll down, scroll down, scroll up. And that will allow me to scroll down or scroll up the page. So those are the different commands. There are a lot of commands you can learn how to use with voice access. Quick settings. So this will open up quick settings. Open quick settings. So you can see that. Open touch. Open touch. Turn on flashlight. So if the command is not in there, then it won't work. So you need to maybe perhaps say tap on flashlight. Tap flashlight. Tap flashlight. So it doesn't the standard command. Or you can say help. And then it will show you all the different commands that you can use. So show numbers, go home, show labels, and so on. Okay, so we go back in here. So that's basic navigation. Then you got gestures, navigation, long press or tap. So tap or send. I'm just going to turn off my voice access. Okay, so we got check and check, scroll up, scroll down, as I mentioned previously. Swipe bottom edge, swipe left edge, So you can go through the list here and then learn all the different commands. So this is text editing command that you can use. So you can say undo or redo, insert, and so on. You can also issue magnification command such as start zooming, zoom in, zoom out, or stop zooming. Okay, so that is the command. In here, you can change required verbs. So you can select tap or open. So we require verbs such as tap or open for voice access commands. Here you can also turn on or turn off, timeout. After no speech, tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here is the activation buttons. We can turn on the activation button or switch it off. So here, voice access off, we can turn it on. We can turn off, but there is no activation buttons. So in here, normally there is an activation button when you turn on voice access. So if I turn on voice access, there is an activation button right there. Okay, so that's the activation button. So if I go into settings again, and then you got listening behavior on screen wake up, activate for incoming calls. So if we turn this on, when you receive an incoming calls, then voice command will automatically get activated. And here you can also set active during calls, keep voice access on during phone calls. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use voice access. So there are some additional settings that you can also change this in here as well. But it's basically that's how you can turn on voice access and using commands to access to issue voice commands on your device. You can also use it to take a screenshot, or you can use it to start your camera shooting or record a video. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.